Joining us today is graffiti coordinator Andy Rodriguez. Thanks for being with us today, Andy.
Thanks for having me.
So, Andy, tell us about last year's Graffiti Removal Day event.
Yeah, last year we had a great turnout. We ended up having a project over behind Saugus High School along the Wash, which is a great success. We had over 50 residents come out. This year we identified a location out in Canyon Country, and we're excited to work with the community members to beautify the area.
The City of Santa Clarita prides itself on our beautiful trails and paseos. How does Graffiti Removal Day play into the Santa Clarita 2025 strategic plan?
Yeah, it falls under our three-prong approach. So our first one is quick eradication, remove graffiti within 24 hours. Second one is arrest of graffiti vandals. And our third one is community outreach and education, just informing people and residents how to report graffiti. And that's exactly what this event is all about.
Well, thanks so much for being with us today.
Thank you so much for having me.